Today we are going to learn how to sort list of dictionary by a key. Now let's get started. Here you can see I have a list of dictionary for a students. In each dictionary I have name and total. I want to sort this list of dictionary by total. Now let's get started. For that first I need to import operator built-in module. Once I have imported it, we are ready to go. Then I want to perform a sort, so I'm going to use this students variable and I'm going to perform sort. But here it is not a list, it is a list which has dictionary, so we need to use key, which is an argument to this sort function. Now here I need to use operator, the built-in model which we imported. This will provide me item getter function. Here I need to give the key which I want to sort. I want to sort it based on total, so I'm going to pass total, and I want to sort highest to low, so I want to use reverse equal to true, because by default sorting happens lowest to highest. So low to high I don't need, I want high to low, so I'm going to pass reverse equal to true. Once this is done, we are good. I just want to print students list so that we can see the output in our terminal. I'm going to save my code now. Then I'm going to run my code. I should see D, C, E, B, A. In this order, the results should get displayed in the terminal. Here you can see first it showed D, then C, then E, then B, then A. Here you can see we have sorted them based on the total. First 451, then 422, then 401, then we have 355 and 300. Thanks for watching.